Come on, Jazzy.
Don't be shy. Say happy birthday to Jenica or whatever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jenica. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Done with the ladybug.
Jenica's not a ladybug.
So Jenica, do you want to say something to your grandma? Because I'll post this on YouTube tonight.
Hi, Grandma.
You're on?
No,
I'm not.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
God forbid I would.
Wait, everybody. He's my Grandpa Randy now.
Right on.
Yeah. Grandpa Randy. Right on. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma Joyce.
Hello. And
Show it to me.
the
Hi,
rat.
Grandma.
The rat.
Hi. I'm over here. I'm right here. Hi. I play hockey. I'm a dolphin. Hi, Grandma. I play the NHL. Thanks for tanking. We play softball. I play the NHL. Everybody. I did too. I don't. I'm a goalie.
Jenica, are all your friends this weird?
I'm a ribbon dancer. Yeah, that's why.
Pretty much. Eh?
That's weird.
Did you guys want to try happy birthday one more time, or is that it?
Happy birthday.
Oh, good enough, good enough, good enough.
Happy birthday to
Move, buddy.
I like.
Move, buddy.
Happy birthday to Dakota. Wait, no, I Jenica. I like Dakota. No, you don't. I don't.
You want to say hello to your mom?
Guys, I have fungus on me. You're right. Oh, good. I'm growing on you.
You guys want to introduce yourself? So know your name?
Shut up.
Hannah.
Everyone knows who I am. I'm Dakota, Grandpa Randy's granddaughter. I'm Sam, and I'm going to play in the NHL, and I'm going to be the first woman to play in the NHL. Liar.
Please tell me you're not a Canadian fan.
No, I'm not. I'm a Vancouver fan. What are you talking about? I'm a Philly fan.
Okay, that's better.
I'm a Boston
We all know Jenica.
I'm a Boston fan. I'm a Boston, so sorry. I don't even know what they're called. She's my nerd buddy. I'm a Boston Bruins fan. Bruins same. Hockey have a black coat.
Hey, I'll help you.
Say hi.
Go, guys. My name is like Andy.
Andy.
Looks like me.
And?
Mom.
Oh no.
This is my Dakota, by the way. Okay, guys, this is a self-portrait of me, everybody. Guys, look at my self-portrait. Look at her. Look at the semblance. Look at. Isn't it a self-portrait, though? No.
And this is the reason I don't teach grade 5 and 6, by the way.
You should see some of my courses. So cake. Maddie stole it from me.
There goes the ladybug.
I have cake in my hair. I love you. I eat cake now.
Can we get a close-up on this thing? Probably.
No. Here. Next, damn it. I'll do this. Okay, go ahead. Oh, no. Both same time. Same time. Go. Okay? Cake's great. And there's mosquitoes all over me. Guys, it's falling off my face. Oh, go. No, not me.
I guess I just gave up the idea of subbing down here, too.
Wait.
I don't think I could handle you guys.
Forks are overrated. Forks are very overrated. Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
I would think.
It's in my hair.
Do you want to say goodbye?
Bye, Grandma. Hi, Grandma Joyce. Bye, Grandma. I love you. Bye.
See you in 2 weeks.
Love you, Grandma Joyce. Love you.
And he fades off into the trees and says, "Later."